Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Once again, my name is Frank Flores. I'm doing a reaction video. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below. For today's videos, guys, we will be having a reaction to your favorite and my favorite, Jamiel, Sing Shallow. 2 minutes lang siya, guys. Hindi ko alam kung tapos siya or hindi, pero I will do my best to have this kind of reactions. Yung feedback na ibibigay natin kasi Shallow is a type of song na hindi lang pwede basta-bastang kantahin lang. I mean na hindi siya pwedeng kantahin lang without a proper emotion, diba? So again, I'm so excited for this. Thank you so much Jamiel fans na laging nonood, no? Thank you so much.
Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for?
Ayos ah.
There are times I find myself longing for change.
Yun ang gusto ko kay JM De La Serna, yung voice niya napaka-classic. And nafe-feel ko talaga yung boses niya galing siya sa theater, 'di ba? Rinig naman natin how he sing talaga pagdating sa entablado man or may mga occasions man or may mga guesting man siya. So makikita natin talaga na napaka-passionate talaga niya pagdating sa kanta, 'di ba?
It ain't the bad times I feel myself.
Okay. May mga ad-lib din sila, no? Go. Kinilig si Mariel, oh.
Tell me something, boy.
Boy. Galing.
Aren't you trying to fill that void?
Yung boses ni Mariel napaka-flexible kasi kaya niyang gumamit ng ibang voice, 'di ba? Feeling ko nga kaya niyang mag-imitate ng iba-ibang genre, 'di ba?
Or do you need more? Ain't it hard keeping it so hardcore?
Napaka-effortless. Tsaka nandun yung vibes na kilig, 'di ba? Ito na.
Above the deep end washes our darling, I never meet the ground.
Oh,
Crushed is your friends, will they get hurt? We'll fall from the shadow now.
may gusto. Babalik ko muna guys kasi na-intimidate ako eh. Ang ganda ng emotions kasi nil dun eh.
Above the deep end washes our darling,
Lamig.
I never meet the ground.
Ang soling kasi ng boses ni Mariel.
Crushed is your friends, will they get hurt? We'll fall from the shadow.
Tapos sasabay ni JM sa kanyang style. Ang lamig. Magpapakilig din naman sila, oh. Ay, hindi siya tapos. Hindi nga siya tapos, guys, no? Pinutol naman nila yung kanta. Anyway, sana maglabas sila ng full video ng Shallow o full cover ng song, 'di ba? Kasi ang ganda ng combination ng voice nila, 'di ba? Again, yun ating reviews and reaction for today's video. I hope na nagustuhan niyo yung ating reviews, no? Once again, my name is Frank Flores. I'm doing a reaction video. Good night.